Do you wish there was a faster way, an easier way to upload a YouTube short with a thumbnail attached to it that's not necessarily just one frame out of the game or whatever you were playing and then having to add text in the YouTube editor? I might have a solution. My name's Xavi. I am a content creator. I'm just a dad who has a bunch of kids who works full time doing something that's not content creation and wants to hang out and meet people and play games. And I want to also make shorts of video game content that I think is interesting. However, I am poor in time. So between the grind of, being a parent and working all the time and wanting to upload content to YouTube, I have to make the decision. Do I want to upload a short? Do I want to stream, or do I want to make a long form video? And I can't do all of them. And that sucks. It's the beginning of this year, 2026. But one thing that has remained like a fact when it comes to YouTube shorts is if the first couple of seconds isn't engaging, or if the thumbnail doesn't look super crazy, somebody's going to swipe right past it because they're looking for like an instant dopamine hit. For example, if you run a Twitch channel or you have YouTube and you have clips that you want to clip stuff out of whatever video it was that you were making or stream that you were doing, you have the tools to create those clips right inside of Twitch or YouTube. The problem with that is that YouTube specifically still does not have an easy way for creators to change the thumbnail on a short. Whatever frame that you have within your video is something that you have to select from, and that makes it to where you can't just go and add an image to your short once you've uploaded it. You either have to go into the YouTube editor while on your mobile device and select a different frame from within the video, or you have to include that frame somewhere in the video when you upload it. So I made this tool that I thought would be helpful for people that allows you to easily, without installing like crazy expensive software or anything like that, to just, take your video, take an image that you created, smash them together without messing up whatever format or resolution that your video is already in. And then it just gives you the same thing again with a image at the very beginning. So that way you can upload it from your computer, open up the YouTube app on your cell phone, and then just go and select the new frame for your thumbnail. It doesn't have to have anything to do with your video. It probably should, but you can create any custom image you want to add to the beginning of your video. So that way you have a custom thumbnail, and it's the first thing people see when either they go to your channel and they see shorts, or they go to click on a video and scroll through it. Instead of just seeing a random like section of something that they don't understand, you've tailored like a custom made image that relates to your video to give people information right off the bat. Here's the tool. We're going to say, for example, that you've got a clip. We're going to say, for example, this, whatever the hell this was. All right. We're going to go to share. I was playing Horsey Game and we were doing some sumo stuff. So instead of actually sharing it anywhere, I'm going to, let's close this really quick. We're going to go to share on How to Never Win Sumo Again. I'm going to download the portrait version from Twitch, for example. And you can do this from YouTube too. It's just the video needs to be 1080 by 1920p or just, TikTok Shorts format. So I'm going to press download. It's going to go to my download folder. And it's whatever the hell this is. Dignified Tentative Echidna. What the hell ever. I don't know. I don't understand Twitch's naming convention for files. So I'm going to minimize this really quick. That's my Ko-Fi. Let's ignore that. All right. So we're back to the desktop. I've downloaded that file. And so we'll go here and we'll click on it and we'll open it up. So here's the video. For example, I got this straight from Twitch. So I don't have like a thumbnail embedded in this. And when I upload it to YouTube, I will not be able to edit the thumbnail. I can't create a thumbnail and then upload it after the fact. YouTube, I don't know why it is such a simple design thing. YouTube hasn't implemented it yet. And so, people that don't have the technology, time, or software, they're kind of screwed with just, upload what we can upload. So anyways, I'm going to go back to the very first frame. The very first frame is a picture of my truck down here in the corner with a sumo ring. Boring as hell. If somebody saw this on a short, they'd probably scroll right past it. I freaking would. So I'm going to leave that open really quick, and then I'm going to pull up my web browser. This tool that is somewhere, here it is. I created a tool. It's called Xavi Shorts Tool version 1.4. I'm going to download this, and I'm sharing this with everybody for free, because if it saves you even freaking 10 minutes per video to add a thumbnail, if you want to, if it gives you more time with your kids, freaking use it. Like, if you guys want to donate, I've got a Ko-Fi link that like would super help, because all money made from anything that I do goes to my kids. But if you can't, and this gives you more time with your kids or to do something else besides stare at a screen and edit videos all day, then I accomplished something and I was able to help you. So, you know, more power to you. So, all right, back here, we've downloaded this program and it is here, Xavi Shorts Tool version 1.4. I'm going to run it. Not going to pay $400 for a developer license just to say, hey, I'm an actual person. I'm a freaking real person. Look, I'm not AI. See? Awesome. Okay, so we're going to press run anyways. This is just telling Microsoft that it's okay to run the program. I have removed the complications of having to install Python, freaking the KK Bootstrapper. Access control will pop up. It's just asking if you want to install it. It is going to ask to install in admin mode. Oh, sorry. The other thing, FFmpeg. That's what allows this entire thing to work. It's an open source free use license. So I've just packaged it in with this program. So we're going to go here. I'm just going to install it to my normal C drive. It's 116 megabytes. It's a small program. It does all the work on your computer. It doesn't require any like major freaking installation or download or anything like that. We're going to go next. We're going to keep the name the same. Program. We're going to extract it. It puts FFmpeg in there, gives you a link, and then it lets you launch the tool. So I'm going to show you how this works. Hopefully this helps somebody. If it does, please, God, just let me know. Like, that's all I need. Just let me know if this tool helps you save some time. So again, this tool is for people who have YouTube Shorts or Twitch clips or whatever. They want to upload it to YouTube, but at the same time, they want it to have some kind of thumbnail on the front end instead of being like stuck with just text from YouTube in order to make some kind of thumbnail for people to see. So we're going to press finish and it's going to launch the tool. This is what the tool looks like. It is super simple as hell. It is Shorts thumbnail inserter, because we're literally inserting a thumbnail into a short that we already have on our computer. And again, this solves a problem of having to use CapCut or some dumb stuff like that in order to just put a thumbnail at the front. There you go. Vivian Vane. It is a character that I created for a D&D campaign, and I needed to make a portrait. So we're going to select the video clip again. We're going to go back to downloads. We're going to do the same video. Remember, this is the one in the downloads folder, so there's nothing at the beginning of it right now. And then we're going to do generate short. Okay, it's already done. That was real time. So then I'm going to open output folder again. Because I used the same file before, it overwrote the file that I created. So whatever name your file is originally for the video is what it's going to name the video after. So just if you're doing all of your videos are named short and with no other information, you're going to overwrite your stuff. So name your files better. So we're going to open this again. Pause it. It's the sumo video. But now when I go all the way to the beginning, this was an image that was actually 1080 by 1920p. It moves it into position. It throws it at the very first frame of your video. And so now let me close this out. I'm going to pull up YouTube. Now I can go create. I'm going to upload a video. So if we're in our outputs folder on our desktop, it's this one. We're going to upload it. Now I'm going to take my cell phone. And in order to do this, you do this from the YouTube app, not YouTube Studio, just YouTube. So I'm going to go open my YouTube app. I'm going to sign in with the account that I'm using. You're going to press your profile image. You're going to scroll and then go to your videos. Then you're going to press shorts. And so I don't know if you can see it. It's the same thing that's listed up here. If I go to shorts, it's checking the video right now. It's short 2026032. But do you see what the thumbnail looks like right now? I don't know how to. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, so here you go. You've got this crappy little horse thing that I was showing you before. If I go into shorts, and if you see the shorts page, it'll list all your shorts in like little clippy doodahs. You're going to press the 3 dots on the video that you want to edit. So I'm going to press those 3 dots. I'm going to go to edit. And then I can see in the left corner under edit video, it's that crappy image that you see on screen up here. I am literally just going to press that pencil. The very first thing that it selects is the very first frame of my video. So then when I press the check mark, it's going to save that. And then I just have to press save. And there's no other edits that I need to make. And now I've got a thumbnail on my YouTube short. You don't have to transfer a video, edit it in YouTube in order to pick like a specific point in the video that you're looking for. You can literally take and edit whatever screenshot you want in freaking Microsoft Paint if you want to, and then use this tool and just slap it together. It literally takes like 20 seconds once you install it to throw a thumbnail on the front end of one of your shorts, upload it to YouTube, select that short frame in your YouTube app, and then you're done. And you have an interesting like starter point for your video. Let me refresh and see if it shows the new thumbnail. Yeah, see, there we go. That's all you got to do. And so, you know, again, I'm super tired. I'm sorry, this is way more low energy than I'm used to. But if this tool helps you save freaking 10 minutes out of your day just trying to get a cool thumbnail or something that you handmade instead of having to select a video clip outside of a short that you made, then I help. And that's what matters. Like if this has helped you in some way, let me know in the comments. If you guys want to, you know, donate to me being a developer, I've got a Ko-Fi thing. It's not necessary. This is totally free for anyone. So use it if it helps you. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Tell me how I can make it better. I am not a full-time programmer. I've got so much other stuff going on, but this is a tool that's personally helped me make some better thumbnails for my shorts. And it takes a lot of time out of my day instead of having to open up a editing program, throw in one picture, re-render my entire video, hoping I don't mess up the setting or something, and then re-upload it to YouTube. So, you know, if it helps you, then, you know, I'm happy. Hopefully you'll be happy too. Love you. Bye.